Here's some rechargeable batteries for Arlo. I've got an Arlo battery here, and I've got 4 different knockoffs. And the Arlo battery, if you notice when I try to rock it, doesn't really rock it when I touch the tip. But these batteries have expanded, and you can see they actually vibrate or keep vibrating when I touch them because they have swollen so much that they actually have pushed out the battery case and they rock back and forth like this, whereas the Arlo case doesn't rock. These new batteries that I bought, they also don't rock when I turn them upside down. They're pretty solid, and the reason why that's important is I've found that this bulge right here is just enough where when I put this battery inside the camera case, this bulge pushes the contacts away where they don't make a good contact. And when I put the new batteries in here that are flat right here, as soon as I put them in, I'm going to hear a click, and then I see the blue light and the camera actually fires up. Whereas when I try these bulging batteries that may still be good, but they sure rock around a lot, the bulge is so bad that when I put them in, I don't get a blue light. So once again, I'm going to take these bulging batteries out. And on the charger, they say they've got a good charge. Perhaps I could go in there and pull those pins out, but I don't want to damage these expensive cameras. So I'm going to put in the other new battery. And we should wait for the blue light. There it is. So these bulging batteries in here are what's causing it, where this Arlo camera is not firing up.